2.4 million manufacturing positions could go unfilled globally by 2028. In Asia-Pacific, 77% of employers are struggling to find skilled talent, above the global average. In Japan, 30% of the population is already 65 plus. By 2050, Japan will reach 37%. South Korea will hit 40%, and China will reach 31%. The workforce is shrinking faster here than anywhere else in the world. The Bank of Korea warns that without AI adoption, GDP could fall by 16.5% by 2050. I worked with a manufacturing client who lost a master technician with 38 years of experience. He could diagnose faults by sound alone, a skill developed over decades. No one asked him how, no one documented his knowledge. When he left, his knowledge left with him. Within 3 months, the line experienced a 14-hour downtime event he would have prevented in 10 minutes. The cost, $280,000 in lost production. We asked 3 questions. What do you know that no one else knows? 2. What is the one lesson from a failure we cannot afford to forget? 3. Who should know what you know? Ask these questions before they leave, not after. Full case study and framework linked in the description below.
So what are you waiting for? Hit the subscribe button below and click on the bell icon so I can pop up in your feed occasionally with a great tip for your ultimate growth.